Why should I use My Dogma? I want to liken it to eating your vegetables. Something you might not want to do, but it's something you probably should do. It might not have all the flavor that you're used to experiencing, what you really want in a good meal, but it's good for you. Why is My Dogma good for you? Well, it's going to help you grow in your faith. I can promise you that thinking about what you believe is good for you and your relationship with Jesus. Even if you don't have a relationship yet, it's good to see what other people believe on certain views. It's good for journaling your thoughts and keeping track of your experiences. It's good for sharing prayers and praises. Receiving prayers and praises, it's even better for that. And that's good for you because when we pray for one another, that's a way we can love one another. So why should you use My Dogma? It's good for you. Now, with that being said, I really don't know what you should do. It's a little bit of a stretch to say it's good for you as in everyone, because I really don't know who you are. I mean, I'm sure there's a really rare vegetable allergy out there, like a legitimate one, that I just don't know of. And so for that very unique individual, maybe it wouldn't be good for them. And so how do you discern that? How do you really know what you should do? Well, my challenge to you is going to sound really Sunday school-ish. Pray about it. I mean, I'm a firm believer that we can pray about little things like that. And God, help me to know what I should do. And if you don't hear a response, I mean, you have this guy saying, you should do it. You should make an account. You should use it. You should give it a shot. You should post, some prayers, invite your friends. All those great things that a social media app needs to exist and thrive. So that's why you should use My Dogma.